coming. So we are the Nairobi terminal. Now we're going to Mombasa. So come along with us and enjoy the trip with us. See ya.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
How many? Zeno, which one are you carrying?
You and I, we got it. We don't need no.
Hi, Edafi. Essie.
Hey, they're looking.
Hi, the Agari family. How you guys doing?
So this is our first time here in Nairobi terminals, trying to go to Mombasa, and to have fun. We plan to go to various places, Diani Beach, go to what other place again? Fort Town, then Jesus Fort, and some other places like that. So you can see all our luggage, not that easy carrying all this, but you know, to have fun, you got to sacrifice. Yeah, you got to sacrifice, man. So right on with us and catch the fun.
How do you like the train?
Guys, my experience here on the train, I thought we were going to carry our luggage. Then, at our destination, they would pick up our luggage. But lo and behold, it wasn't like that. We had to carry the luggage ourselves, you know. With so many luggage that we had to carry everything. So it was a way of me gymming. It was a physical gymming for me. You can see my muscles now. So guys, so when you're entering the train here in Nairobi, make sure try to minimize your luggage so that
Yeah.
you enjoy the
Take
trip.
it for you. They won't carry it for you.
Then the security here also is top notch.
That's right.
So many checks. So if you're coming to the train station, make sure you come an hour or 2 hours before your departure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I will tell you guys.
Yeah, so that is where we keep the luggages. As you can see. Hey, how do you like your train ride?
It's not bad. It's not bad for an African train.
We've tried. Wow. Okay. Hey, guy. Do you like the train?
I say, we say something. We would like to say something. She's shy.
What do you want to say, AC?
I love you all. I love you all. This was that everywhere is beautiful.
Oh, really? You like the nature?
So you're going to see a little bit of the safari. You see the elephants,
So don't sleep.
you see
At the window.
elephants, giraffes.
As we're going, I like giraffe. So you will see.
It's just 8:30. We arrived Mombasa terminus. So we're just about exiting to go and book our Uber. Then we go to our apartment. That's the exit. Yes. So
It's been a great ride. Oh my goodness. Back is heavy.
it's smooth journey. We saw animals on the way. On the road, we saw elephants, zebras, and I think some people saw flamingos. And even what other animal did you guys see? Elephant. Okay. All right, guys. So see you guys. So hello guys, this is Mombasa. So this is the apartment that we got here in Mombasa. We got to the apartment at about 10 p.m. So we'll just give you a quick tour of the apartment.
Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel and to our channel. So we are now in Mombasa. This is Inyali. So we just got to our apartment, not quite long. Come along with us. Let me take you on the house tour. Okay, so guys, this is the living room. As you can see, is what we see on the booking.com that we see here. Is exactly the same. So we are looking for a good apartment. All the details, the way it was there, and it's very new, very clean. Can you see? It's having two couches. There's a center table with a stool, the TV. You can see everybody was sitting and I love the details on the wall. I love these details. Then this green, I don't know, me and plants. There's a green plant here, there's a pink one here. And guys, see, this is a smart TV for sure. Then see this. I love this. I love all the details on this wall. So from here we move to the dining and the kitchen. The dining and the kitchen are together. Guys, you will still see loads because we just enter. We just said before we will scatter everything and feel at home. Let me just do the room tour. I love every details. Can you see these details on the dining? Very nice, very perfect. I love how colorful it was. So this is the dining. Then we have the kitchen. This is a microwave, electric kettle. We have water dispenser, and I love this. In our home, we smile, hug, dance, play, dream, catch and love every day. So this is what we have here. Wow, this is nice, guys. Everything is intact. Everything is intact. Guys, can you see this? These are lovely. Nothing is there. We can put things with them. So this is how the under look. It's very spacious for you to put your foodstuff and all. So we have a gas cylinder here. Here's the gas cylinder. Then the stove. This was the stove. This was they have. So you can see, guys, mock-ups for your wine and water. So, and see, kitchen utensils, everything is there. This is perfect, guys. This is perfect. This is tray. See, more trays and covers. So this is pot and fry pan. So you can do your cooking there. You do your washing here. Anything you want to wash. So it's very clean. And this is the fridge. This is the fridge. This is the. It's all the flowers there. I really appreciate all the flowers I'm seeing. I love it. And come along, guys. Come and see something. This is toilet. This is a toilet. See, I come to greet me, and I don't want you to enter the room. See, this place is giving, guys. I love this corridor. I love the details that was being added to this. The flower, the painting, the mirror. This was excellent. And here's our luggage. See, we just dropped in there. Guys, see this art, this painting. This is excellent. This is excellent. So here to the guest room. This is the guest room, guys. Can you see the details there? I love the mattress. I love how pinky the touch of pink and gold. The touch of pink and gold in this room. Same with the red and white for the curtain. As in everything, every color was very nice and detailed. I love it. And you can see this is queen bed. This mattress is meant for two people. Can you see? And this is the wardrobe. Here is the wardrobe. Here is the wardrobe, and there's also a nice African hat here. It's like map. Lovely one. So let me take you to the boys' room. This is the boys' room, guys. I love how every detail. I love the yellow golds. The touch of yellow gold, ash color, white. No, the color was just perfect. This was what I just wanted, and I have everything. This is the mattress, and I love this pillow that says "Follow your dreams." So follow your dreams when you are going for vacation. Life is one. Enjoy it when it lasts. You don't need to wait till you are old. No matter how small, enjoy. This is the wardrobe for the boys. So see this corridor. I love the details in this corridor. The flower. Reduce it, guys.
What's going on? Okay.
So here is the master bedroom. Here is the master bedroom. Can you see the color? The yellow, the golden yellow, the ash color, the white, then the ash mattress. Everything, I love it. And I love the chair, the table. That's the wardrobe. You can see I just dropped my bag and my camera back there. That's the wardrobe, and there is a smart TV too. When you don't feel like standing up, you are still in bed, you want to watch something, you have everything. And there is a split AC here. We have split AC and we also have our fan. And there is a mirror in the center of the wardrobe. There's a mirror there. Guys, are you seeing me? Yeah, that's me. So there's a toilet here. In-built toilet. Guys, see this chair. I love it. I love the chair. See me sitting comfortably? Wow. Can you see that? How do you see it? Very nice. Yeah. Then let me show you this, sorry. Because we love makeup. This is very easy for any woman to do. Is her makeup. Perfect mirror. So let me take it to the bathroom. Wow. So spacious. This is the bathroom. And this is the toilet. Very beautiful. Very beautiful and nice. That's the shower. And you need to see the compound, guys. The compound is another thing. Very excellent. So here's another toilet. Here's another toilet. You can see all the toilet and bedroom are very spacious. Very, very spacious and clean. Very spacious and clean. You have nothing to worry about that. Oh, my children or yourself will not get infection. Nothing like that. Everywhere is spacious. So thanks once again. I think I will add. Okay, by tomorrow I will add the. Okay, there is balcony outside though, actually, but I don't think you appreciate the view now because it's dark. Because this is nice. So thanks everyone. I appreciate you for always watching our video, always liking, always subscribing, always commenting. This will take me far, guys. Please don't forget to always share and share. Follow us, subscribe, and God bless you as you do so. Thanks so much. We appreciate you all.